Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
All right, how you doing, everybody? Chris Bruce from Internet Landlord LLC, and I'm the host of today's REI class. What I'm going to be talking about today is how to determine how open a seller is to your offer.
This REI Classroom real estate lesson is sponsored by virtualstaffnow.com.
And I've actually created a similar concept pretty much of, it's called OPEN, as a matter of fact. It's an acronym, and I'm going to pretty much break this down so that way you can figure out when you're talking with a seller if they're even going to be open to whatever you're going to be offering as far as the price to buy their property. So first, number one, the first letter, OPEN, is O. Okay, and that is someone that is oblivious. Now, the person that is oblivious to the offer, they might not really be in any type of rush to sell their property. Okay, so they might have came across maybe some of your marketing before. Maybe you sent them a letter or postcard, and right now it just is not the perfect time for them to sell. They're not really in the market to sell, and they just want to see maybe what you're offering. And those type of people, they're not really going to be very open to your offer, especially if you're coming in at a low price. Okay. Now, the next letter of open, of course, is P, someone that is pretty much pondering. Maybe they've done a little research to find out if it's a good time to sell their property right now. Maybe they've done just, that they've came across your marketing and they're thinking about selling their property. But they're still not 100% for sure that they want to sell. There's still not really any big motivation right now for them to sell, but they're kind of thinking about, possibly selling the property. Okay. Now, the next what letter of open, of course, is E, which is engaged. Now, these people are good because these type of people have actively been talking maybe to some realtors. They've came across your marketing and maybe even others' marketing, and they're still trying to figure out how they can sell their property and get the best price they can. So maybe they're, entertaining your offer and other offers. Now, these people will be a little bit more open to your offer, but I can tell you the last letter, which of the open concept, guys, is someone that needs to sell. Now, these people are really going to be good because these people have a situation. Maybe they're behind in their taxes. Maybe they're just inherited a property and they live in California and the house is in Florida. All right. These people have a need to sell and they're going to be very, very open to whatever offer you're offering them. And they're going to be open to it because of the fact that they need to sell. They can't sit on this house because for whatever reason, they need to get rid of it and turn it into some cash. All right. Maybe they even possibly just evicted a tenant and they're just tired of, dealing with having to go through the eviction process and finding a new tenant in there. These are the people you want to target. They're going to be open to your offer when you're presenting to them, and you're going to be able to get that deal more than likely. All right. So that is the open concept of how you can determine how open a seller will be to your offer. And I will see you on the next one.
VirtualStaffNow.com is the leading virtual assistant provider for real estate investors. As busy real estate investors, there's nothing more valuable than our time. And VirtualStaffNow.com not only helps you find the right real estate virtual assistant for your business, they train them on an ongoing basis, manage them daily to make sure they're staying productive and effective. And in the event they're not the right fit or need to be replaced, they handle that for you too. Whether you need 1 or 100 virtual assistants for your team, start the process right now at virtualstaffnow.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. and you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at flipnerd.com. Please check out the Flip Nerd family of real estate investing shows, where we host 4 great ongoing shows at flipnerd.com/shows, or simply search for Flip Nerd in the iTunes Store.